Hi, this is Sami again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to memorize the multiplication table from 6 to 9 using your hands. So what we do, basically, for 6 to 8, you use both hands right here. And in each hand, you count your fingers from 6 to 10. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the same here. That's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now let's see how it works. Let's say we say 8 times 6. So you go to one hand and count up to 8. Remember, we count from 6 to 10 on each hand. So 8 times 7 will be 6, 7, 8. You close these fingers times 7, 6, 7, and you close these fingers. Now what you do, you multiply these fingers that are open. So you have 2 here and you have 3 there. So 2 times 3 is 6. Keep this number in mind right now. And what you do, you go to the closed fingers, you count them by tens. And since you have 5 closed fingers, that counts for 50. So you have the 50 and then the 2 times 3, which is 6. You add them, 50 plus 6 is 56. Now let's see if we could do 6 times 8. So 6 times 8, you go to one hand. Remember your hands, the fingers count from 6 to 10 on each hand. So 6 times 8, so 6, 7, 8. Now we have the closed closed fingers are 4, and we remember the closed fingers, we count them by tens. So that 4, that means that's 40. And now let's multiply the 4 here and the 2, the open fingers. 4 times 2 gives you 8. So that's 48, and that's what 6 times 8 is. 6 times 8 is 48. So now let's do 7 times 6. 7 times 6, so you go to one hand and count to 7. So 6, 7, remember we start with 6 on each hand. So 6, 7 times 6, so 7 times 6, 6. Now the closed fingers, there are 3, and you remember the closed fingers count by 10. So that's 3, that means 30. Now let's multiply the open fingers. 3 times 4. 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12. Now you add this 12 to the closed fingers, the 30. 12 plus 30 gives you 42. You also could use this with the nines as well. Okay, and I'll show you how to use it with the nines. But the nines is even easier. So I'm going to show you what to do with the 9 right after this. But let's say we say 9 times 7. Okay, so 9 times 7 now. In one hand, you count up to 9. So 6, 7, 8, 9. And then on the other hand, you count up to 7, 6, 7. So the closed fingers, you have 6 closed fingers, count by 10. So that counts for 60. And then the open fingers, 1 and 3, you multiply them. 1 times 3 is 3. Add them to the 60, that's 63. So 9 times 7 is 63. I hope you like this video, and I really hope it helps your kids, especially the kids who have a difficult time with the multiplication table. The multiplication table is so important that you have to understand it well. So for kids, understand your multiplication table, understand your integers really well, and understand fractions. This will make you really good at math. Like, these are the 3 things that when kids struggle with, they have problems with math. And just look at what I'm going to share with you. I'm going to share with you a whole section on fractions. And also my little boy Omar, he did something with dinosaurs about integers. I'm going to show that to you as well, so you don't have difficulty with integers, and you don't have to use the calculator to do integers. You don't have to use the calculator to do fractions. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, share with people who need the help. My channel has a lot of videos, over 400 videos. And thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe